Hey guys, just going to show off how we do our ceilings. I keep posting that technique matters far more than mud. We're using Schluter Set, the unmodified Schluter mortar. You can see on the ceiling right there, we've already keyed in the mortar to the ceiling, so we don't have to try to notch the ceiling. We got the tile buttered up with a little bit of a suction cup perimeter going on. Then we have the MLT on the ceiling too, so if it falls, it's all going to come down. But Brent will go on and push the tile up into the ceiling. Let me see if I can't figure out how to work this thing. We'll give it a good wiggle back and forth to collapse the ridges. And then MLT is already in place. We'll have some scraping to do tomorrow to clean this up. It's not a very big ceiling. Boy, for some reason there it goes. Doesn't want to stay in focus. That light's probably messing with it. Anyway, we'll put the caps on and kind of go from there. And then tomorrow morning we'll pull everything back out, clean it up, and start tiling walls. So thanks. Let me know what you think.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the subscribe button. Remember to ring the bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Stick around and check out the next suggested video coming up after this clip. Thanks for watching.